In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple Google Sheets in Databox. So, let's dive in and make this process simple and straightforward. First, we start by navigating to Databox. You'll see on the left side of the interface an area called the Data Manager. This is essentially your command center for managing all the data sources you'll be working with. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area because you'll be spending quite a bit of time here as you add your data sources. Once in the Data Manager, you'll notice a button labeled either plus New Connection or, in some instances, Connect Data Source. These terms are interchangeable and mean the same thing. They're your entry points for connecting new data sources to Databox. Click on whichever label appears for you. Now, in the search bar, type Google Sheets. You should see the Google Sheets option pop up in the search results. Click on it to begin the connection process. This action tells Databox which specific type of data source you are interested in connecting. The next step involves authorizing your Google account. This is where you'll allow Databox to link to your Google Sheets. It's a straightforward process, akin to logging into any online service. When prompted, make sure you're logging in with the correct Google credentials for the sheets you plan to connect. You'll need to grant permissions for Databox to access your Google Sheets, so make sure to review the permissions screen carefully before proceeding. This access is crucial since it allows Databox to pull data directly from your spreadsheet files. After authorization is complete, you'll be redirected to a screen where you can select your specific Google Sheets file. Take your time to locate the right file. This is especially important if you have numerous sheets, as each one represents a unique data source. Once you've selected a file, it's officially connected to Databox as a data source. If you need to add more Google Sheets, simply repeat the steps we've just covered. Go back to your Data Manager, select plus New Connection again, use the search feature to find Google Sheets, and follow the prompts to authorize access and select your next sheet. Remember, each Google Sheet document you add will function as its own separate data source. Keep that in mind when planning your data workflows. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you can effectively connect multiple Google Sheets to your Databox account, making your data readily accessible for reporting and analytics. Thank you for watching, and happy data connecting.